Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love and general for the sign of Taurus for a week ahead. So watch this video if you're a Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in. Check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, where I keep on sharing information related to manifestation, law of attraction, healing crystals, I also own a crystal store. So if you want to get something for you like this, these are healing crystal bracelets, and I also sell rings there, pendants, and all of that. So if you're interested, do check out my crystal store. The link is going to be in the description. Also, if you want to have a personal reading with me, the link is going to be in the description. Now let's see messages for Taurus. If you don't already know, I'm a Moon and Venus in Taurus myself. So we do these readings very often here. Alright, let's see messages for Taurus. So give me the present energy for Taurus, please. What is up with my Taurians these days? Ace of Pentacle. Wow, this is a very beautiful reading. So some of you I see that there's like a new beginning when it comes to something. For some of you, this could be in money. So you might just get a new way of making money, like sudden idea which you can implement and you can increase your money situation. For others of you, I see this is like a new beginning in your love. Something new is about to start when it comes to your personal life or when it comes to your relationships. This is going to be a little slow because Pentacle is a very slow moving energy, but it is going to be very fulfilling. All right, what else? Like a cycle is about to begin. Wow. And this is a new beginning in love, Taurus. Some of you, it's with another Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. I see that a love situation is finally taking off, and this looks like a soulmate connection here. So maybe you guys have known each other and this person is returning back in your life, or for others of you, you have just known each other in past life. So when you meet this person, it's going to be like you have already met them. You know how sometimes even when it is a first meeting, we don't feel like it's a first meeting. So it's that kind of situation. I see a very beautiful balanced romance is about to start, and it might start off a little slowly with the Ace of Pentacles, but it has potential to it and it has a very steady growth to it. All right, so your present energy looks really beautiful. Stepping into November, I see things are moving for you, Taurus. Like somebody is about to confess their love to you, somebody is about to make a move towards you. This is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So what happened in the past for Taurus? Because of course something is off, that's why you're watching a tarot video, else you would have been watching Netflix. So let's see what happened in the recent past for Taurus. Page of Cups, okay, and the Ten of Wands. I see that you were dealing with somebody who was very practical kind of a person. Like this person was valuing their career or finance or something over you. Like this person was not giving you the kind of emotional maturity that you wanted from them. And I see they were just coming off as someone who's very practical and someone who's very distant, right? So somebody was acting in a very distant manner and they were not opening up to you as much, and that kind of gave you some anxiety about the situation. Like you were wondering, where is this going to go? I also see that you kept on putting in work into the situation. It was only you who was doing everything and the other person was maybe acting very childish. I'm not saying that they were trying to take advantage of you, because here all these three cards are not of cheating, but this could be somebody who just, you know, like how you keep on doing things for them and they don't even realize. And when you make them realize, like, I did this for you, and you don't even realize, and they're like, yeah, so like if you did for me, so what? Like everybody is doing this for everybody. So you know, that's how careless they are, that they don't even realize when somebody is going above and beyond to make things better in their life. So they just took you for granted so much that they were not even realizing how much you were doing in for them and how much you were showing up for them. With the Ten of Wands, I definitely feel you were doing things for this person beyond your capacity, and you kind of exhausted yourself in the situation where it started affecting you emotionally and mentally. All right, I also see that somebody was just like not making the move, like the communication was highly missing in the connection. Like you felt intuitively that you guys are meant to be or whatever, but when it came to expression, there was no expression. All right, so what next in this connection of Taurus and their person? Tower card. Yeah, like I see something just happened very dramatically and things came down crumbling, because of course if you try to do things single-handedly and if you try to just make things work from your own side and the other person does not cooperate, the foundation is very weak and it crumbles, right? So it just kind of got toxic and you were not letting it go. Still, I feel that even though it was getting toxic and even though it was getting very burdening, you just kept on giving into the situation until universe itself stepped in and broke this connection for you. Some of you, I also feel that you got to know something about this person which kind of really put you off, or maybe they said something or did something which you never really expected and that kind of upsetted you. Okay, so how is Taurus viewing the situation now? Hermit, you're definitely giving a cold shoulder to the situation and you're just, some of you, you're just being single and you're trying to be happy being single. You might be educating yourself, you might be learning new things. You're just trying to go within and find answers within. Instead of questioning this person as to why they did whatever they did, you are trying to question yourself. You're just trying to find your own patterns. You're trying to question universe as to why is this happening, and you're trying to find a pattern within you. And that pattern could be sometimes, when you have a conditioning where you feel that you are not worthy enough, then what you do is you go above and beyond to make somebody like you. And you need to realize that if somebody has to like you, they will not like you just because you are giving them precious gifts or you're doing everything of them or you're just bending over backwards or whatever. Like if somebody has to like you, they don't have to like you for the fact that you bend over backwards for them. They need to like you for the person you are, right? So yeah, you are kind of realizing why this person behaved in the way they behaved and you're just trying to find answers within. Some of you, I also feel that you've become very mature and you kind of took a time to reflect on the situation and you are reflecting on the situation. You're just not trying to be part of the drama. You're just trying to, for some of you, I feel that you are just educating yourself on different things or you're just learning more or whatever. Like you're just trying to be more creative in your own life rather than being part of drama. All right, you're just trying to better your life. You're just trying to be single and happy for time being. Some of you were dealing with a Virgo. Scorpio is very strongly here. We have Aquarius very strongly here. Anyway, let's see how is this person viewing this situation with you, Taurus, now. 9 of Wands. This person is very closed off. The only problem is that this person comes as someone who's very closed off. So see, they are super guarded and you were working very hard, right? So it was a very off balance kind of an energy. You need to realize it's okay to work hard for other people, but you need to know where to stop, right? The boundary is very important. That you did not set with your own self and you kind of paid a cost for it. So this person's next action towards Taurus. Knight of Pentacles. They are going to come towards you, but it's going to be very slow. And the Knight of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles again. So some of you, this person is going to try to make a move towards you. I don't know, maybe they have some sort of change of heart or whatever. But you know what? This person is very focused on their work or very focused on their money. So they might not do it as quickly as you would want. So just be mindful of that. Somebody is coming towards you, but super slow. And they're also analyzing things. Like this person is very calculative. You, Taurus, are very emotional in the situation, and this person here is very calculative. If they do not see benefit in a certain situation, they are not going to pursue it, like that much calculative. So what's going to be the outcome between Taurus and their person? It's going to be the outcome. Page of Wands. I see the dynamics of your connection is going to change. So for now, of course, you're trying to withdraw from them and this person is also withdrawing from you. Right now, this person is just focused on their work. And it might sound a little harsh to you, but even if you try approaching them, they might not reciprocate it with the same intensity because They might be like, I'm busy with my work, I have to figure out my finances or whatever, and then you might just feel that this person is very mean. And we also saw that with the Knight of Pentacles, this person is focused on other things and you might not be a priority for them right now. So they are going to take their own time. However, the outcome page of wands suggests to me that a communication is going to come in and your relationship dynamics is going to change. So, you know, like something is going to happen which is going to entirely change this connection. And it's going to be very different from what it is right now. Like right now it is just a one-sided connection where you're only the one who's putting in the work, but I see in the coming future the connection is going to have that missing spark back, and the connection is going to take a turn for good. And Three of Pentacles, I see you guys will be working together in conjunction to make it happen. So it's not only you who's going to do the entire work. Rather, with the Page of Wands, I see that some of you will also you both will find a new idea which is going to change the connection. Like maybe you will try to explore each other more as to what you guys like, and you might just try different things. Maybe like if one person like beaches more, so maybe you would just try to go to beaches, or if one person likes a certain genre of movies, then you would watch that kind of, like something something you are going to change in a way that you used to do in the connection, and that's basically going to change the whole dynamic of the connection, right? Because right now it's a very one-sided thing, so only one person is dominating and the other person is doing. But in the coming future, I see that you both will be realizing that if you want to have this connection going, you need to do things that excite both of you, right? It cannot be a one-sided connection. So that's what I see. Yeah, so some sort of new idea or some sort of new change that you will be bringing into the situation is going to change the whole connection. So I see that definitely the relationship is going to change for better. Now this is for people who are waiting for somebody and they're waiting to hear. Now let's see for my singles. What is coming towards my single Taurians? But yeah, Taurus, be very mindful that all of this is going to take time. So honey, it might not happen as quickly as you'd want, all right? I would say somewhere between 1 to 3 months. If you're lucky, 1 month. If not as lucky, then 3 months, all right? Now let's see what's coming towards my single Taurus. Knight of Cups. There could be a water sign that's coming towards you. Like if you're absolutely single, not waiting for anybody, no strings attached, then there is someone who's going to be loving you like nobody else. Because Knight of Cups is a very beautiful proposal, right? So very beautiful romantic proposal coming towards you from maybe a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. And this person is going to be very loving, very caring, very gentle. And all right, and this wow, this person is going to see you in very good regards, and this is literally you. So Taurus is the Empress energy in tarot, and this person is going to see you as an Empress or an Emperor, right? So somebody is going to recognize your worth, and this person is going to treat you really, really well. And I see that if you're single, you might actually end up in a connection which can lead to marriage as well. If you're ready for it, then that can happen. Also be careful that you don't get pregnant if you don't want to, because I see pregnancy as well. And again, we have number 3 here, so next 3 months could be very significant for you, Taurus. Some of you, the month of March is going to be very significant. So yeah, someone coming to, and okay, let me tell you one thing about tarot if you're not a tarot reader. So we have 4 knights in tarot, and out of them only 2 knights are good. Knight of Wands and Knight of Swords are not very good. Knight of Pentacles and Knight of Cups is something which we say that if that comes into the reading, it shows that it has a potential for long term and marriage and etc. is possible. And both for my singles and not single people, we have Knight of Pentacles and Knight of Cups, which shows that if it's a past person returning, they have changed for good, and if it's a new person, then even that person is good, okay? It's not a fuckboy centric energy returning into your life. And I see that you have been waiting for this kind of a change in your love life for some time, because in the past you have only encountered fuckboys and fuckgirls, and you were kind of manifesting this from universe as to, universe, when will I find somebody genuine? And now universe be like, now is your time. And again, we have the Queen of Pentacles, which shows to me that all of this is also happening for the reason because Taurus, you have worked very, very hard on yourself, and you have raised your standards. Like I was seeing this quote somewhere, and it says that strong women and strong men, they don't have attitude, they have standards. So that's exactly what it is. The Empress and the Queen of Pentacles is basically the same energy. And this is people with standards, right? If something does not match their level of loyalty or their standard, they are not going to bend backwards and accept it. So I see you have realized your self-worth and you have done work on your own self, where in the past you were just bending over backwards to make things happen. Now you realize you're a motherfucking empress, and empress don't bend backwards over nobody, right? And you are just in your power, and that's why you're attracting somebody equal. All right, let's see message for Taurus. Ooh, this could be the one. Didn't I tell you? Some of you definitely, you're attracting marriage. And some of you, you've already met the romantic partner that you are supposed to end up with. And I see somebody is going to make an effort towards you. This is beautiful. Very beautiful. Finance and career. And as I said, this person right now might be caught up in finances or whatever. Like their career is just keeping them very busy, or their finance is keeping them very busy. That's why they might not be prioritizing you. But in the meantime, you, honey, focus on yourself. Why not you elevate in your life, right? Never wait for anybody. Choose yourself always, and people will choose you. All right? So now let's see what does your person wants to say. Taurus, I will be with you before you realize. Yeah, this person is going to be with you. You don't have to worry. And you complete me. Someone thinks that you complete them. Wow, that's a beautiful compliment. Make yourself your priority. Oh, fuck. Didn't I tell you this? Make yourself your priority first. And you know, all of this is going to happen when you prioritize yourself, because this person is prioritizing themselves. You need to prioritize yourself. All right? And when you do it, this person is going to be in your life. Or if you're single, you're going to attract somebody who's like an equal match. But for that, you need to prioritize yourself. All right? So that was that. I hope this helps to resonate. If it do, let me know in the comments. I will see you very soon in the next video. You guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.